Hi guys, I'm starting this video with me sitting here. The original, or this video that you're about to watch, is of me and Noah bringing Jack outside. I'm currently outside still with Jack at this particular point and Myah, but certain way through the video Noah decided to bring Myah out, and so I wanted to get some video of her as well. So the video is a long one, so I'm going to do a continue after this video, which I'll put up this one today and the continuation tomorrow. So I hope you'll enjoy it, and yeah, leave a comment guys, and if you haven't subscribed, don't forget to subscribe. I'm just watching them, and like my video. Well, hi everyone. Yes, Jack. This is what I mean. They can get lazy, but then you give them a taste of outside, and you know, it's re-triggering that brain of theirs and reminding them that outside is pretty much good fun. You've just forgotten, because you've just been spending so much time inside your enclosure, that the routine and the pattern of doing this and getting out and having some fun out to explore, it just, you need to remind them. And hence you saw that video of me getting Jack out the other day, much to his disgust, and believe me, ever since, well, he's been wanting out every day. Not a day has gone by that Jack has not said, let me out. So and there is no coaxing Jack out. He's coming out on his own. You can't see, hang on, but I'll just flick the light on, because we're going outside guys. That sun is glorious and lovely and warm, so you know me, get him outside while that sun is shining. And he's gone into the little box down there, which Lily does too, but it's and that's probably why Jack has ventured in there, because he can smell Lily. And there's somebody across the road doing something with their car, and of course my dog's barking to let me know somebody's across the road, Mum, and I don't know who they are, and I'm just letting you know, which you can see, that I can see, but they can't see me seeing them, can they? But anyway, I am getting Noah to actually pick the boy up today and bring him on outside, because, you know, Noah's getting there, aren't you, boy? When it comes to... But I'm not getting one of him. No, Noah's not getting a Jack, of course. A little bit big for Noah. Of course, when he gets older, he can choose to do that, now that he's let Jack go into the rocker, which is not for Jack to use. But you've got to be fairly strong, of course, to get Jack, don't you? So
it's okay with Lily. I can pick up Lily, but I can't pick up Jack. I'll be able to pick up any other snake except Jack.
Jack. Except Jack. But if you pick him up properly, yeah, if you pick him up properly, he's pretty easy to pick up. So, pick him up there. Have you got him? Put him in the crook of your arm, maybe, doll. Little bit, sort of, yeah, that's it. Good job. And that's it. That's alright, just pull him up. Just pull him up like that. You're going to put him around your shoulders? Maybe? Do you need a helping hand? Or do you think you can do that by yourself? I'll give you a helping hand. Hey. Sorry, guys. I'll just get Jack around his shoulders and make sure Jack's not taking off. Let's go. Whoop. Hang on. He's decided to crook around the rope there. Here we go. Great job, Noah. Absolutely wonderful. Certainly helps me out with this rib, I tell you. And now Mum will go and open the door for you two beautiful boys in my life. Let's go. I'm trying to stay in front. Oh. Okay. Nan will get the blanket, of course, and we'll head on over this way, buddy. Then he's got a bit more of the sunshine today. Doesn't need to be in the shade. Then, oh Jed, please Jed. And you can see that Jack knows that we are totally outside. Yep, another beautiful winter's day with I'll do it, complete 360 pretty much. So you can see that there is not a cloud in the sky. Little bit of a breeze, but not cold. Certainly not cold down here at ground level at all. So, you know, it's just bringing Jack outside, guys. And you know, for me, you know, that importance of outside time, the importance of sunshine. I think the UV is quite important to your snakes. And what I've actually found, guys, by putting a UVB into Sia's enclosure is when I've noticed her out and coming out more, and I think soaking up some of that UV in her enclosure. I don't have it for the likes of Jack or Lily or Jessie. I do have it for Sia, Myah, Apani and Myah. I don't have it for Tessa. But those guys get out here. And so do the other ones. But certainly not as much as these guys do. And I really do believe that it's where people are going now too, are starting to use UV bulbs in enclosures with their snakes, and have noticed a difference in activity levels coming out of their hides and spending time in that UV. So, you know, just something to think about when you are doing an enclosure, to maybe consider it. And you don't need to have it on all day. Flick it on at about 10 o'clock in the morning and flick it off at 2 o'clock in the afternoon, which is when that UV is the most strongest if they're outside in the sun. You don't have it going from, you know, 7, 8 o'clock in the morning until, you know, 6, 7 o'clock at night. It only needs to be on for a few hours. and I do know that they're doing more studies into it. We know a lot of reptiles that it's essential for them to have it in their enclosures. And I think you should maybe consider that it might be good for snakes as well, not just a lizard, or those creatures that require UV. Yeah, exactly. I think it's beneficial for a snake. Now, I'm not saying if you don't put UV in that something dreadful is going to happen to your snake, because I don't believe that either. But do I think that there would be benefits to doing that for your snakes? Yes, I do. I have seen the activity with the snakes that do have UV in their enclosures. Absolutely, and especially Sia, who likes to come out and bask with that light on. So yeah, if you're going to do a new enclosure, think about it. That's all. Just think about it. Research it. Find out what people are saying and thinking about it. A little bit further up, Dale. On his tail end. Just, that's alright. That'll do, Dale. You're going to bring him. Yeah, okay, pick him up. Bring him over, Dale. Quick. Quick. So he doesn't, it's not a deep hole, guys, but it's probably full of mud and, oh my goodness, see how heavy Jack actually is? He's gotten quite heavy for Noah and for me, and especially when he's squirming, he's determined to be on the ground. He's not holding any of that weight for me at all. He's just a dead weight in my hands, and I guess he can do that because he knows I'm not going to drop him. I'm going to hold him, and he trusts me. One-handed, two-handed, whatever I'm doing with him, he has that trust. Now, we won't get Myah out yet, but we can do her separately. Very much. We can get Myah out in the sun today. I'd like her to actually come on out, and I'd like Sia to come on out today as well, and get just out in the yard, full stop, and see if I can get her going to the toilet, guys. Or that's going to be another, put her around my neck and let her do it all over me again, which I really do not want to do, of course.
Did she do her business on you?
Yeah, well, she got a little bit of the urate on me, but I was quick enough to move her tail away. When she decided to do the other, the floor copped it. Not so much Nana, but the floor did cop it. So, and I didn't care. Well, I really didn't care. It was more important that she actually went.
I wouldn't mind. All I would say is just go back home.
Oh, I just cleaned it up. It's easy enough cleaned up.
I don't get how Jack has that strength to just sit there.
Has the strength to pull himself up because, you know, they're one big long spine, Noah, and muscle. Lots of muscle around that spine. They can do amazing things. Snakes that we could only dream of ever doing.
I've seen this snake before. He tied himself up to a boat.
Yeah.
And then he was just crawling everywhere. And then this person picked him up and untied him. And then he just tied himself again.
Oh, really? I think Jack is going to endeavour to urate. I don't think he needs to do the other. He's already done that.
I mean, the number 2.
Haven't you, dude? Hey? We've already done the other.
No, he's doing a little... Yep, put that urate out. You want to take number 2?
No.
Just got the urate and the little...
And as I say, and I have said in my videos, Jack's a trier. He doesn't care if it's a little bit, big, otherwise, if he's outside, he's going to go. He's just going to go. And it just sort of cracks me up. It's like he didn't really need to go, but I may as well do a little bit rather than nothing at all. So, he's a good boy. He really is. So guys, it's just some time out with Jack in the sunshine. And of course I will get Myah out and I will get Sia out today. Because it's glorious. It really is. I haven't been outside for a few days.
What you should put your snakes in a tub and then go down to the skate park and then show everyone.
And show everybody, So guys, thank you for watching. Always thank you very much for watching. You take care of yourself and your family, your snakes, and all your animals.
Ciao.
And these kids. Ciao.